We all share a kind of humanity. We feel, we love, we hurt, we get scared, we get excited, we hope, and we despair. But within this shared humanity lie differences. The lens with which we see through changes according to our beliefs about ourselves, love, life, others, the world. And those differences are sometimes subtle and sometimes so extreme. We can see them in our relationships with our partners, our husband or our wife. We can see them in our friendships, both close and distant. We can see them in our community, our society, and across cultures. We all share this common experience of being human, but within it we can differ so greatly. And that's where it hurts. It hurts when we think to ourselves, I wouldn't do that to them, why would they do that to me? It hurts because maybe in those moments where we perhaps cannot see eye to eye or heart to heart, we feel alone. We don't understand one another, and if we remain in that disparity, we feel disconnected. And without connection, our heart mourns, our soul grieves. They mourn and grieve what they know so naturally, just like the breath knows the air so well. When we're lacking something that we fundamentally need, it feels like a kind of death. A kind of slow dying that takes with it our hope and our light, our vision and our trust that in fact, everything we felt we were losing cannot actually be lost. How can we remain in our hearts? How can we not lose sight of our souls when the differences between us seem so great, when the chasm feels so deep and so wide, when crossing it seems impossible? I look to the gaps within me and see how I might cross them with love. I look to the gaps in my relationship and see how I might cross them with love. I look to the gaps in my friendships with others and see how I might cross them with love. The point is, it all starts in here. It all starts at home, within ourselves, within our relationships, and eventually, in concentric circles, it reaches the furthest corners of the world. We will see differences between us, and hopefully we will also see our similarities. The point perhaps is to be able to hold both, be with both, judge neither and love both, and somehow we will build the bridge to get across.